Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up the Lead Finder plugin because you do have to take the step of getting a Google Places API key, and there are a few steps to that, but they're outlined in the document I'm going to show you. Um, and I'll try to remember to put the link somewhere on the page for you to easily get to it. But if you just go to Google and type in Google Places API key, you'll actually it'll take you to the same place. All right. So we need to go over. I've already got it open here at in another browser, but this is the page we're looking at, and it tells you before you begin, you need to set up a billing account. Now, uh, you won't probably have to pay anything for this. There's like, I forget what the limits are, but there's a lot of queries that are included for free, probably far more than you would ever need. But you can check that out when you get in there. But you can click this link, it'll take you to a document on how to get started and set up your billing account. You just add a credit card, and it's mostly just for identification purposes. Um, all right, so creating our key, what we want to do go to is click this button, and it's going to take us to a project where we can select our project. And I've already got one set up here. If you don't have a project set up, you'll want to click on Create a Project, which I've already done that, but if you click on Create Project, you'll see a place you can just give it a name. Otherwise, it'll give you a random one, and then just hit Create, and that's it, and then you'll have your project. All right, so I have my project here, and let's go back and just take a look at the instructions. We went to the page, and now go to the APIs and services, and then credentials. All right, so over here on the left, we have APIs and services, credentials. And then we see this API key that I've already added, but let's go and see what the next step is. The API key created dialog. Okay, yeah, dialog displays your newly created API key. Okay, go to the credentials page. I guess they provided a link that'll take us directly there. Okay, yeah, so it took us back to the same place. All you have to do is look for the button to create credentials, API key, and there's your API key. Copy that. Now, the other thing we have to do is we actually have to enable the Google Places API on our account. So if you go up here in the search bar, you type Places, you'll see the Places API. Select that. And when you initially go here, you'll probably see a blue button that says Enable. I've already clicked that, so it's already enabled on my account. So now if I go back to my plugin, go to Users and then go to Profile, to your own profile. Scroll to the bottom, and down here, you can paste in the API key you need to use the Lead Finder plugin. Save that, and go into the API Lead Finder, click on Add New, and let's just say plumbers. And I'll say plumbers near, and then whatever zip code that is, run. And it's running. If there was a problem, it would tell you you're missing your API key, or it would just stop. And that would tell you there's a problem, like maybe you need to add your credit card to your account or something like that. But if you follow these steps as outlined on the other page, you should see, yeah, if you follow these steps on this page, you shouldn't have a problem. Okay, so it looks like it worked. It pulled in some records there, so we are good to go. Thanks for watching.